So cool. Like we're like waiting for it right now. So we're gonna see what happens. But
okay, what are we gonna do?
Just press the unlock. We connected to our Bluetooth and we just press unlock. There's no one in the car. Yeah, what's up? Yo, what's up, guys? I'm in LA right now. We're gonna test the Waymo. Kind of nervous. It's supposed to be here at any moment. I'm gonna show you how it's like riding in a Waymo car at night. So like, you're gonna see it turning, you're gonna see it driving, you're gonna see us getting in the car. You know, you're gonna see how that whole process is like. So the vehicle's coming in like a couple minutes. It's so cool. Like we're like waiting for it right now. Yeah, it's coming right now. Like it's like really coming. It's like approaching. Oh, but this is a second. Oh, this is not it though. This is somebody else. Should be coming up the street soon. Are you like nervous about like what's gonna happen?
Yeah, also nervous about making good videos. I don't want to f up your like your TikTok
It's all
stuff.
good.
The lighting is.
We can do one tomorrow.
You should stay more maybe under the lantern, a little
yeah,
bit more. It's okay, but it could be more bright. It's coming, right?
Shit, yeah.
Is that the one?
Yeah.
I think it's parking.
It's like turning or something. You think it notices me?
I bloody hope so. Oh, it's
Like it doesn't know what to do.
it's trying to find a parking spot. We don't have to block that. Yeah.
What do you think it's gonna do?
But that car also wants to go, I guess.
Car's in the way.
Okay, what are we gonna do?
There's no one in the car. All right, so it just unlocks right here. We connected to our Bluetooth and we just press unlock. And then now we open the door and like I'm going in. So I'm with my friend right here. We're in the car. We're gonna put on our seatbelts. I know, this is crazy. All right, so the seatbelt's on. And now we're gonna press start ride. So now I'm gonna press start ride. Nobody in the car. So crazy. Yeah, it's my name. So this is really happening.
Oh my god, it's like when you go in a roller coaster, you don't know what
As we get going, just give us 1 minute.
Bro, are you like,
for a few
are you nervous?
Yeah, a little bit, because this is very against your nature, right?
I know.
It's like, whoa.
Is the same as always.
This is so fucking.
It feels the same as a taxi.
Yeah.
If
Because
you're traveling with little ones,
you have small talk with it.
please
with the car.
use that card for more
It's so
But if you lock your
crazy.
seatbelt, it's gonna stop.
Yeah.
Like,
So please don't touch.
Yeah, you wanted me in the video or no?
yeah,
Say
yeah.
hello.
Hello.
How do you
I'm
feel?
Dan. I feel excited. Also
Yo,
nervous.
it's yellow. Look, it's red.
But our microphones are only on.
Yeah, oh,
when
I
you're
have to
connected
pay
to
like
Ride
attention to what it's doing with the
So
surroundings.
sing your
Yeah.
heart out. We can't hear you.
Like, how do you feel since it's like it's nighttime? Like, you know,
Or passengers
and like you're in
Yeah,
this.
it's really cool.
That's amazing. Do you think they're gonna have something like this in the Netherlands or no?
I think probably in the future it's just a matter of time, no?
Yeah. Look at this. It's driving. It's gonna turn soon at some point, but it's so crazy. Like,
And thank you for riding with us.
like look at this. Look at what's happening. I'll show you the pedal. It's like red light. See if the pedal moves. I didn't see. I can't see from here. See, I can't see from here.
Huh.
That's so crazy.
It actually has all the controls that like a normal car has. but
Yeah.
You're not using. They have like buttons and stuff.
Yeah.
Like, what if it's actually
I'm
gonna?
gonna see if the pedal moves when it turns green. Let's see if it does.
Oh, there's a pedal.
Yeah. There's like music playing too, guys.
Yeah. I'm also wondering if it's gonna turn, if it's gonna
It's
like
AC
do
and
the
shit.
signaling, and it's gonna do the signaling
Yeah.
lights.
Oh, so we're gonna arrive in 5 minutes. Look at that.
Really, this is way better than the bus.
This is way better than the bus.
I mean, yeah,
Yeah.
we were just fucked because you missed a stop.
Hey, maybe it's a good thing that it missed the stop. Wait, it knew that at yellow it could go. That's crazy.
Like the
blinking-
flashing
Yeah,
yellow.
the flashing
Yeah.
yellow. Wow.
But I'm waiting for a turn, so when I want to see how it's doing when it's turning.
Yeah. It's driving 35 right now, I think, miles per hour. Wow, so
It's
some
it's
couple
like
bumps.
Is it doing like what's like
It's
a
going
speed limit?
32. It sees that it's yellow, red. Okay. So when it's yellow, it doesn't. You see how that guy went?
Yeah,
and it's
like
yellow.
The human
Yeah.
think they want to go like crazy.
Yeah.
This thing is actually just following the
It's just following the rules.
Orange means, yellow means like when you can't stop, just stop.
Yeah. It's so crazy. Wow. Now it's going, it's turning. Oh, it's not turning, it's just like
When it's
going
gonna
around
turn? It's
something.
gonna be straight? No, there's gonna turn at some point.
Yeah, it has to turn at some
You
point.
can even change the music.
Can you?
I don't know, it looks like. What's this?
See it?
Oh, you can change.
Don't like stop the ride.
Oh,
Imagine you
press it.
imagine if you like stop the, yeah, change the music, see if you
Top
can.
40.
Yeah, do
Why
something. It's turning red now.
Should
The light.
be. No.
You can change the music in here. It's cool.
Sure.
Oh, it's turning. It is turning soon. Look,
Let's
guys.
see how loud you can make it. You can make it really loud.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Jesus.
Oh wait, turn off the music because YouTube. I forgot. It's gonna like not monetize this or whatever.
Oh,
Not
yeah.
that I care, but
I want to find
know.
my own music. Can
Yeah,
I find
find
it?
it, yeah.
If I search for music, it would be so crazy.
is there YouTube on there? Maybe you
Or
can.
like Spotify.
Yeah. Maybe you can search your own music.
Music menu. They only have like playlists.
Oh, it's turning.
I cannot search
Oh
for
shit,
music.
it's turning. This is a weird turn.
Oh yeah, it had also the twisting sign. The play audio from your phone.
Yeah, it's turning again. It's turning again. Oh, it's not
I don't
turning.
want to do this. It's too much steps. You can play from your phone. It's too much problem. You can do it tomorrow. Maybe.
Oh, I'll do it tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah, there's too many.
It's
lights.
turning again. I feel like it was about.
Actually, I feel really safe. I don't feel like weird.
Yeah, I
Actually,
feel safe.
I feel like being in a taxi, then you also don't really see the driver.
But it was like guessing that it wanted to turn a little bit. Like it almost like, oh snap! It's like a prostitute. It's like a real prostitute.
Oh,
you saw that?
We should stop for that.
What? Why?
I don't know.
It's like a call girl. Oh, what's the Dutch word?
We have like prostitutes on the street.
And what
I
do
mean,
you call
no,
it?
I mean like behind the lights, they are like called like prostitute.
Yeah.
We
Hudehoven.
don't have like a. We don't have a name.
Hude what?
Oh, Hudehuis.
Hudehuis is a brothel.
No, but we don't have a word for someone who's standing next to the street because that doesn't happen there.
Yeah. Guys, look what's happening. There's a cop car's coming,
Okay, now we need.
and it
to see-
stopped,
I want to see.
and it's
yeah.
going around this fire truck. Look at that. So it knows that there's a fire truck, and it went around it. That's crazy.
Do you think it also will like pay attention for like emergency vehicles and
Yeah.
it stops because they have to pass?
Yeah, that's what just happened.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. Wow, it changed lanes.
Yeah.
Wow.
And it actually is signaling.
Yeah.
Like everybody should.
That is incredible. Imagine if it's just like someone who's actually just like controlling it, like a drone. Imagine. If it's
Yeah,
just
like
that.
a joystick.
Right.
And I'm wondering actually what happens when there's a pedestrian. Like, there was like a zebra there without traffic lights.
Yeah.
I want to see how that works. Yeah, how you can see the pedestrian is coming. But yeah.
This is a cool experience. Actually, yeah.
Nice, and it's also convenient.
Do you think it's better than a human? Would you say?
I don't know. I think taxi.
Like you've taken Ubers before, right?
I think taxi drivers are mostly quite reliable. I mean, they're also fine.
Yeah. But they like talk like.
Yeah,
like, sometimes
small
it's
talk.
like
Sometimes you don't want to.
you don't want to talk. Yeah. Sometimes.
But you don't have
to.
to.
Yeah.
But this is kind of fun. You can go with like, you can go like four people max, I think here.
Yeah. But then like the third person would
Yeah, you
sit
got
right
middle
here.
seat, right?
Yeah. I don't think they would have him sit like in that.
No,
like right.
but
Yeah.
there you can sit.
Yeah. Oh wow!
What's happening? Where's the police?
There's a police car and like
Behind
it.
us? Or-
No, it's in front,
Oh yeah.
and it automatically like turned the vehicle a little
Yeah,
bit
to
to
make,
the
like,
side.
space,
Yeah. It like heard I think it. I don't know. Maybe it heard the police car or something.
It should be. It should know everything in the city, right? What's happening?
Yeah. It's
Wow.
crazy. Actually, this is like better that like we see what
For
happens at
safety,
night.
The doors will remain locked when we arrive.
Oh, we're
Pull the
arriving.
handle twice to exit. The first pull unlocks. The second opens the door.
Oh, it's turning.
Don't forget your phone, keys, or wallet. There
Wow.
are more drop-off
I know.
options in the app.
It's actually like signaling and it's stopping for the stop sign, right?
Right.
It has to.
It has to.
I think normal drivers they don't really stop.
They
They
don't
just
really
stop like
stop.
a little bit and then they go.
Yeah.
Here we are.
Oh my God, we did it.
Where's it gonna stop? This is already. Oh, the enemy is on the other side.
Yeah, it's on the other side.
Crazy stuff.
For your safety, the doors will remain locked when we arrive. Pull the handle twice to exit. The first pull unlocks, the second
Gonna
opens
go
the door.
backwards?
Wow.
No,
Guess-
I'm gonna
yeah.
Please make sure it's clear.
It's
before-
crazy. This is it.
Careful to get
Did
out,
it.
man, but there's nothing coming or something.
Yeah.
I can't.
Like, pull it twice. Let's see how.
Yeah, but I
how it
want to
does
see
it.
if the car is going. I think it's fine now. Yeah, there's nothing.
All right. Oh wow. Look at that.
All right. That doesn't
Yeah,
get
we
out.
did it. All right, I'm gonna get out too.
Yeah.
Let's pull this out. 1, 2.
What's the Jaguar? I didn't know.
It's a Jaguar?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's what it is.
It's leaving.
It's leaving. Bye bye.
It doesn't have a customer.
Thank you. Should thank the vehicle. Freaking hug it.
Yeah.
Look at that. We did it. Now the doors are locked.
It's gonna like signal.
Yeah, it's just going. Look at that.
Huh. So nice.
It's cool, man.